Welcome once again sa car review natin, Kasurabaw. Thank you nga pala sa Nissan Gateway, Talisay City, Cebu for letting us review their cars. For any inquiries, you can call or text Harold Cueva on his mobile phone. This is a 2024 Nissan Navara 2.5 VE Calibre MT 4x2. 1.361 million to, Cebu City price ha. May promo is 39,000 based on 20% down payment. 36 months is 42,263.59 and 60 months is 28,408.61. Airbag is driver, front passenger, side, and curtain. Brake is electronic brake distribution and anti-lock brake system or ABS with auto brake system. Features: immobilizer, electronic door locks, speed sensing door locks, ISOFIX, vehicle dynamic control, trailer stability assist, cruise control, and hill start assist. Dito sa harap is the V-Motion grille ng Nissan. Dalawang grille, taas at baba. Dito is chrome ang V-Motion design grille. Dibos Navara. Matte dito. Honeycomb. Chrome Nissan logo. Radar. Sa baba, matte. Window type. May silver accent dito. Then tow hook sa ilalim. Headlights is quad LED projector type with DRLs LED red, auto on off with follow me home features. Sa baba, fog lamps LED. Dito sa gilid, wheels is silver, tires is 255/65R17 Bridgestone. Body color side mirrors with repeaters, auto adjust and auto fold. Keyless remote entry. Chrome doorknob. Black step board. Matte ang door trim. Then may calibre decals dito. Front suspension is independent double wishbone with coil spring and stabilizer bar. Rear is multi-link 5-link with dual rate coil spring and stabilizer bar. Front brake is ventilated disc and rear is drum. Dito sa likod, pole type antenna sa taas, high mount third brake light LED. Dito, matte tailgate garnish, chrome tailgate knob, pwedeng susian, backup camera, chrome Nissan logo, and VE emblem, stamp Navara, walang mga backup sensors, plate light, then full spare tire sa ilalim. Taillights is LED, turn signals and backup light bulb. Tailgate is assisted, magaan, walang bedliner sa mga cash buyers, add-on ka. Sa financing, all-in, libre. 4 na talian. Then 1 ton load capacity. Door panels is gray with black and silver accent, chrome doorknob. Plastic, chrome doorknob, matte, power window button, silver accent, fabric black, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, hand grip, then hand grip pa dito. Dito sa likod ng door panels is same gray with black and silver accent, chrome doorknob, plastic, chrome doorknob, matte shiny, power window button, silver accent, fabric, black, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, walang hand grip dito, dito lang. Armrest with 2 cup holders. Walang mga pockets dito sa likod ng mga upuan, dalawang air vents dito, USB port, then maliit na malagyan. Sa driver side na door panels is same gray with black and silver accent chrome doorknob. Plastic, chrome doorknob, fabric black, silver accent, power side mirror button, auto fold, lock and unlock, windows lock, power windows buttons, malagyan, bottle holder, speaker, walang hand grip dito. Dito din, wala. Steering wheel is tilt only. Plastic, circle air vents with silver accent, retractable cup holder, lights leveling, trip reset, stability off, then hood lever. Upuan is fabric, gray, zero gravity type, may accent sa gilid, dito sa taas, airbag, 6-way manual adjust, view sa likod, 3-spoke steering wheel leather wrap with silver accent and audio controls. Dito is cruise control, voice command, and cell phone button. Dito naman is infotainment buttons and dash menus. Dash is analog RPM, temperature, speedometer, fuel gauge, display sa gitna, high contrast 7 inches advanced driver assist display. Infotainment is Nissan 8-inch advanced touchscreen display audio via 6 speakers with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth, hands-free calling, and audio streaming. Dual zone automatic climate control aircon with rear vents, doom lights na mapindot-pindot, sunglass holder, sun visor, vanity mirror, and ticket clip sa driver side, sun visor with vanity mirror sa passenger side. Rotary type ignition switch, malagyan, 12-volt socket, USB, auxiliary, malagyan din, synthetic leather, silver accent, manual tranny, chrome, may pockets dito, silver accent sa 2 cup holders, armrest fabric, may spring. Then sa loob, 12-volt socket, USB, and USB Type-C. Passenger na upuan is same, zero gravity type, fabric, 4-way manual adjust. Plastic, SRS airbag, 12-volt socket dito, malagyan, hazard, silver, piano black, circle air vents, silver accent, retractable cup holder, glove box. Ang engine niya is a 2.5 4-cylinder inline 16-valve dual overhead cam with variable turbocharger and intercooler diesel engine. Max output is 163 PS. Max torque is 403 Newton meters of torque. Transmission is 6-speed manual. Fuel tank capacity is 80 liters. So that's it mga kasarmbaw. Thank you sa panonood. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support Visayan Vlogger hanggang sa muli. Paalam and peace. Thank you.